Alright, so after a little while, leaving later than normal, or later than we wanted to as normal, this is going to be the test run and the break-in of the new engine, and I'm nervous. Like, I'm pretty freaking nervous. We don't have any air conditioning. It's got a check engine light still. Fix the timing, but something's still off on it, so it makes it idle a little bit rough. So I guess we'll see how this goes and hope that everything goes good. So should be a good time. Well, we made it to Oklahoma. Fuel gauge don't work. It's always super full, but that's all right. We'll figure that out later. 76 miles so far, so we still should have fuel. I know once you get to this part of Oklahoma, it's kind of hard to exit. Every exit you take, you got to pay a toll. So, yeah. What do you think? You staying cool over there? No. No. Yeah. I mean, after not driving the truck or doing anything for like a whole year, I guess this is to be expected. Well, we have arrived at our Airbnb. This is the first time I've ever used Airbnb for anything. Check this out. There's a little cabin out here, man. It's got two carports. It's got one right here and a big one right there. A grill to use, all sorts of stuff going on here. Plenty of room for other trucks to come here if they need to. Look at that. I don't know if I'm gonna fit in that carport. Looks a little bit low. Well, we could just literally park right up here, take our stuff in. Oh yeah. I've never used Airbnb before, but I wonder if she happens to have a water hose and like wash the truck maybe.
She might.
Truck made the trip pretty nice, 133 miles. Fuel mileage is awful though. There's some sensors messed up somewhere. Check this out. She held up, she made it. She's looking good here. Looks like they're getting ready to build. We got a fire pit over here. It's a little log cabin, man. Gotta get the lockbox code and we'll take a walk inside. Check it out. Yeah, she looks good out here in the woods, just right off the highway. It's really not that far back. Woo, look at this. Wow. Got a fully caged in upstairs up there. Check this out. Feels good in here. She has the air set. Got some little snacks. Full-size fridge. Nice and empty. Well, the fridge is full size. We're not used to that because we usually do hotels. Coffee pot, blender. Let's take a little walk around, shall we? This bathroom. Pretty good sized shower, washer and dryer, towels. The bedroom over here. Got a whole closet, whole bunch of board games I guess we could play if we need to. Kind of hot up here. Oh, look at these little baby beds. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Never done, like I said, never done an Airbnb before, but there's all sorts of amenities here. I think this is definitely what we're gonna do instead of hotels, because I mean, look at all the space out here. There's a lot of space out here. This place got a big yard. Two carports, like I said.
Where are you parking tonight? That one?
Big one. I'm gonna head over to the show, get ourselves registered and checked in, and check out Boost Auto where we're gonna be parking this weekend. So we'll see y'all when we get there. Well, we are here. It's actually pretty busy already. It's not even spectators aren't even in yet. Ton of trucks here already. That off-road park back there, you can't see it from here, but it's back there. Absolutely massive. So we might have to check that out somehow. Yeah, lots of vendors here. Really nice, nice little area. I mean, pretty much you could drive around the entire thing. There's like regular parking, the VIP parking, vendor parking. The fact that it's all paved, there's a truck coming. The fact that it's all paved makes it nice, so it doesn't get, you know, turned into a mud pit. Yeah, already a lot of cool trucks out here for sure. What? Well, I don't know where he was going. I'm walking in the grass here. He's adding some stuff to his truck. Yeah. The old Copperhead Cummins. Now, that's a gold one right there.
Honest Daddy.
Hey.
Honest Daddy.
Hey.
Oh, Fig Newton.
Ricky, what's up, Ricky Bobby? Got that Fig Newton sponsor. Yeah. Got some snowmobiles here in Oklahoma. Definitely gonna make use of those on the off-road park. About to edit out my singing. There's old 6.0 Titan. Looking pretty clean. Wheel lights ain't on though. Come on, man. You're slacking.